Down, see? Here comes our Uber.
I've heard you say that in a while.
I haven't, right? You ready? Last roller coaster of the day?
Yeah.
Man, we hammered this place, boy. We really did. I'm gonna go across.
Please step into the coaster as quickly and safely as possible, pulling your harness down to your waist and lowering your safety.
Like that part?
There really isn't a lot of feet room in here. But the good thing is, see this plate right here? When it hits the brake, it stops you from pushing yourself forward. You gonna put your hands up? Huh? Oh, we gotta wait with the back train.
As the coaster comes to a complete stop, unbuckle your safety belt, lift up on your safety harness, and watch your step as you exit to your left. Taking all.
Are you?
Are you? We gotta go
As the coaster comes to a complete stop, unbuckle your safety belt, lift up on your safety harness, and watch your step as you exit to your left, taking all personal belongings with you. Thank you and enjoy your day here at Busch Gardens.
Keep arms and legs inside coaster car at all times.
Please step into the coaster as quickly and safely as possible, pulling your harness down to your waist.
There we go.
Your safety.
I was not ready for that. I was not ready for that. No. Woo, love the airtime. Love the airtime. We are on the hunt. Going upside down. I don't remember. Oh, that is so awesome. Woo! Oh, air time, baby.
similar to Hagrid's.
No.
Very similar.
No. No. No.
A little bit, yes. Yes.
No.
Why not?
Very proud of you. And that was Cheetah Hut at Busch Gardens, Tampa. No, it's not. It's nothing like Hagrid's.
Not
Nothing.
even a little. You don't think so?
No. That was nothing like Hagrid's.
Maybe
Honestly, this is way better than Hagrid's.
Oh yeah, I mean yes, it is. It is better than Hagrid's.
It's way better. Not just better, way better.
And
Oh yeah.